make the food lawful for him. We learn from this that if you are on a food and you are eating along with people, Shaytaan may eat along with you if one of those people did not mention Allah's name. So you have to make sure every person enters the house says Bismillah. Every person who comes to eat with you says Bismillah. Tell him, say Bismillah, because Shaytaan will make lawful that food that you eat in the same platter of food. Okay, he will make it lawful through that person who is not saying Bismillah. And all the companions and the Prophet are eating from one plate, one dish. So he meant to make it lawful with the Prophet of Allah, with this woman, the slave, and with this as well, the Bedouin man. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, by Allah, Shaytan's hand is along with him. That means the Shaytan also, along with the girl, along with the man, the Bedouin, he wants to put his hand. That means Shaytan's got a hand. He's got hands. Shaytan's got a hand, and he wants to eat the food along with these two. So, verily, inna yadahu fi yadi ma'ahuma, or ma'a yadayhima. His hand, Shaytan's hand, is along with the two hands of theirs in my hand. Then he said, Bismillah, and he started eating the food. So here, Bismillah, the Prophet ﷺ for him, and these two has to say also Bismillah. I can't say Bismillah on your behalf. You have to say Bismillah. So Bismillah, and he started the food. Right, so the Shaytan will never be able to eat the food except if Allah's name is not being mentioned. When you are knowing the haram and the wrong, you should be able to change it. If you can't, at least mention it. Here the Prophet of Allah, he saw something which is not right. And these two coming to eat the food without mentioning Allah's name. So he used his, you could say, action rather than the words or the reminder or just the heart. You change enjoying the good and forbid evil with the hand, with whatever you are having a ability to do so. But so Shaytan, does he eat and drink reality or just imaginary? Reality or imaginary? I'm asking. Reality. He eats reality. Right. He eats reality and he drinks reality. Okay. Now, how does he go to the toilet? Allahu A'lam. I don't know. I'm not really interested as well. Don't want to be investing about where does he go to, which toilet does he go to. But I know that he eats. I know he drinks. Naam. Fadal 734.